So last time we talked about what happens when our body gets stuck in that fight, flight, freeze mode, and why so often that results in persistent and recurrent physical pain. Today, I want to share with you some more ideas about how we can step out of that fight, flight, freeze mode into our parasympathetic nervous system, out of our sympathetic and into our parasympathetic nervous system, where we can be relaxed and we can empower our body's natural healing ability. When we relax our muscles, we can ease the tension out of our body. That can enable us to be more flexible, move more freely, easily, and comfortably. It can enable the pain itself to be reduced and the inflammation as well. That may in turn lower our nervous system sensitivity and ease the cycle of pain that we've been stuck in. That can improve the blood flow through our whole body, which can bring healing power. In the parasympathetic nervous system, activating that can help the body then to allow our long-term repair and healing mechanisms to function. It enables them to be switched on, enhancing, obviously, our healing process and helping our body to recover faster, better, and at the same time reduce our pain sensitivity. On a neurological level, like we spoke about last time, the same highways, the pain highways that have been getting really, really strong, as we switched into the parasympathetic nervous system, these ones get stronger, the highways get built, and because we are using the pathways along this direction more than our sympathetic nervous system, these ones start to erode. They become like a back road rather than a highway, and then they can reduce even further and become like a dirt road. So it's really not being used, and what's being used is our parasympathetic nervous system. Of course, what's being focused on is our parasympathetic nervous system, so that we are enabling that rest and digest and that rest and repair mode to be activated more. That can enable our pain sensitivity to be lowered, and it enables us to tap into emotions like peace of mind, like contentment. And that can help to decrease our experience and our perception of pain, simply because we are focused in a more positive mindset, which can help to strengthen our peace of mind and reduce our pain cycle. Thank you for joining me here again today in the Healthy Learning Lounge environment. If you did get value out of today's video, please like it and share it with your friends, and join us next time as we share hints and healing tips to help you nurture your journey to health, to well-being, and to a positive mindset, to help you clear stresses that are stopping you from living your most fulfilling life. Namaste.